Welcome back to the Dashman channel. You know, I'm the kind of person that doesn't like to see what the passage of time can do to things. I don't like abandoned buildings. I don't like to see rundown houses. And let's take, for example, this basketball goal you're about to see. There are trees growing all over. There's no way anybody could have played there. Not recently. I bet the last time somebody played was 30, 35, maybe 40 years ago. And I'm pretty sure that the last time somebody shot a basket, they weren't thinking to themselves, this is the last basket I'm going to shoot. Well, let's look at something else that has suffered the passage of time and neglect. All right, we are headed north in Tennessee, just south of the Kentucky border. My daughter's up there, and she said there's something I have to see. She wouldn't tell me what it was, but she said it was so important that I had to go, and go now. I just happened to be up in this area. Well, I was about 35 minutes away from where she is, but we weren't that busy. So this better be good. I'm telling you right now, though, it better not be a dog or some sort of animal that she wants to bring home and sucker me into driving all the way up there for that. Alright, well, this better be good because she's got me driving. I mean, obviously vehicles have driven here before, but it's not even a gravel road here. This road is overrun with grass. Oh, there, I see her. Oh, I think I know what she's talking about.
Arrive at your destination. Arrived.
Okay, I see this white one over here, this car. I know there's a car under that. I can tell what that is. All right, let's check this out. Come on, buddy. Oh, you're lying. Oh, you're lying to me. Oh my gosh. The 68? Oh. Look at this. The last registration was in 92. So, yeah, presumably this vehicle was on the road 30 years ago, 28 years. Oh, you're kidding me. But look at the body line. I mean, it's like that, the Survivor, man. They were planning on working on it. They got some gaskets here. Probably some head gaskets or valve gaskets.
What they're up to.
Hey, move that plastic real quick, yeah. Some bird's nests in there.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Breaks my heart.
Wow. Here, let that down. I don't want to let down too hard. Look at that. Like when I'm pulling up, this is what I see. This thing has seen better days too. But I was like,
I heard whenever he wrecks it, he still had the wheels and tires on it and everything.
So who's he?
It's still drive.
So who's he then?
Michael.
And where's he?
He passed away about 4 years ago.
He died. Okay. Oh. So now these just sit out here to rot.
Hands off for $5 grand. That's a dust car. $3,500. He did taxes and then he offered him $5,000. He still didn't.
Wow.
There used to be another one here too.
So
Right?
this one's an inline 6.
250.
Was this a 66?
I think it's a 67 too.
He said there was another 67 here that would have run and Dad thought going. The guy sold it.
Oh, but look at this thing. What a dream that would be. I mean, seriously, to take this from this condition and bring it all the way back to life.
They need all new floors.
Oh yeah, I mean, you just strip the whole thing all the way down. All the way down to the frame. Well, that probably wasn't the original carpet either. I mean, it may have come with white carpet. I'm not sure about that, but that's probably not even the original. Pretty amazing if it was. But given the condition of the rest of the car alone, I feel like that's been replaced. Let's see what she looks like underneath here. Wow, look at these two babies. Just sitting out here to die. That is just a shame. Yeah, look at the name of the tire. Manhandler radial.
Yeah, it's still worth saving.
Oh yeah, dude, I've seen far worse come all the way back to show car. I mean, really, it's got rust, but it looks fairly solid.
It used to be just sitting on the ground.
Yeah.
Like thinks his dad put the tarp on it. Or what the tarp on it.
Yeah, that's showing a little bit of respect. For me, that's putting the tarp on it is almost like how they cover a dead body at a crime scene. I'm telling you, for this to just sit out here under a tree, yeah, that's about the worst. This is a crime scene. Yeah. Got to figure out how to make this thing come to life, man. Got to make that happen. It even has the mark where that tire's been holding that tarp down. you.